Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Kraken Siren Head in Siren Head Morphs. First, launch the game on Roblox. Once you are in, your main goal is to find the specific location where the Kraken Siren Head Morph is hidden. This process is quite straightforward if you know exactly where to look. We will guide you through each step to ensure you can add this cool morph to your collection without any trouble. To find the Kraken Siren Head, you'll want to navigate towards the dense forest area within the game. Once there, make your way to the water's edge. Look carefully for a unique rock formation that stands out. The morph is typically concealed just behind or beside this particular landmark, so be thorough in your search. It might take a moment, but it's definitely there. Once you've spotted the Kraken Siren Head, simply walk right up to it. You should see a prompt to interact with the morph. Press the indicated button to claim it for your collection. After a successful interaction, the morph will be added to your inventory. You can then confirm its presence by checking your character selection menu, ready to transform and explore. Now that you've unlocked the Kraken Siren Head, open your morph selection menu and choose it to transform. You can now explore the game world with its distinct appearance and any special abilities it might possess. Have fun scaring your friends or simply enjoying your new, powerful form. Also, for lasting comfort, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.